Now, players taking part in the inaugural Amazing Group of Companies Open Tennis Championship will now have the opportunity to earn Universal Tennis Rating Points, UTR. The UTR system uses an accurate 1 to 16.5 scale to measure skill based on actual results rather than age or gender. It enables adults to find competitive, level-based matches and tournaments, track progress over time, and connect with a wider global network of players. With the opportunity to earn UTR points, a number of international players have also thrown their hats in the ring to take part in the tournament being held at the Ligonier Club in New Kingston.
That we have now joined the UTR, which is a universal ranking system, which is an international tournament, so it's out there. And this year we were very fortunate to be contacted by players from Colombia, and so far we have about 3 or 4 players who have signed up to take part. Also, we will be having a lady that will be taking part from Mexico as well. So far, we can almost say now that we have an international tournament on our hands.
And everything is in place for the start of the tournament.
All systems go for the tournament. We have to, in tournaments like these, we normally have to make sure that we have our umpires in place, we have our rehydration, which is highlight, we have our nurse in place, we have the linesmen in place, and stuff like that, doctor on call. Pretty much everything is, all system goes.
Davis Cup representatives Roland Phillips and Nicholas Gore will also take the court. The 8-day tournament is set to begin Saturday and end on the 25th. Matches begin at 9 a.m. on weekends and 5 p.m. on weekdays. Come out and watch me win that one.